This video shows how to upload Paparazzi to the PixHawk board in the Iris. First, we need to start Paparazzi and select a specific configuration in which the Iris exists. To do so, in the terminal go to the Paparazzi folder and type /start.pip and enter. In this utility, select the TU Delft configuration as shown in the screen. Click Launch to apply and start Paparazzi. Paparazzi Center will appear. In Paparazzi Center, select the Iris aircraft from the top left menu. This will load all settings needed to configure the aircraft in Paparazzi Center. This includes the airframe settings, a flight plan, some additional settings modules, RC settings, and telemetry settings. Now, it's time to flash the Iris. Since the PixHawk board has an autopilot chip and a separated fly-by-wire chip, we'll need to flash twice. We'll need to start by flashing the autopilot, so go ahead and select AP from the target menu. Now press build, so that Paparazzi will compile the autopilot. In the meantime, you can connect the Iris via USB to the computer. Now would also be a good moment to disconnect the battery and remove the props for safety. Removing the propellers is imperative, as the ESCs can have different settings between, for instance, the original PX4 firmware and Paparazzi. If no errors appeared, and all precautions have been taken, press upload. Paparazzi Center will now flash the autopilot into the Iris. Now we still need to flash the fly-by-wire, so go back to the target menu and select FBW. And again press build to compile. Compared to the complex autopilot, the fly-by-wire core is small and simple by design, and it contains important safety features for reliable flight. However, some timing is required to flash the fly-by-wire. Flashing the fly-by-wire chip goes through the autopilot chip. As such, flashing the fly-by-wire can only be done after power-up of the autopilot. And it can only be done between 10 to 20 seconds after booting up. So, when ready, replug the USB cable to reboot the Iris, wait 10 seconds, and press upload. If you get an error within the 20 seconds, just press upload again immediately. If that did not work, replug the USB cable and try again. Good, now we're almost ready to start flying. Due to some issue in Paparazzi, we'll need to go back to the AP target and rebuild. Otherwise, the ground control station software can't communicate with the autopilot. That's it for flashing the firmware. Paparazzi is now officially on your Iris drone. To test if things are working as expected, connect your 3DR radio, and select the flat USB 0 at 57K600. And press execute. Paparazzi ground control station will appear, and if everything went well, receive telemetry. Next stop, click here on how to calibrate your ESCs.